Do you feel stuck when speaking English? You understand, but when it's your turn to talk, your mind goes blank? Don't worry, you are not bad at English. You just need the right method. Today, I will show you how to master English conversation in a simple and smart way. First, stop trying to speak perfect English. Your goal is communication, not perfection. Think like this. Did the other person understand me? If yes, you are already successful. Psychology tip. When you remove fear of mistakes, your brain becomes faster and more creative. Most people only study grammar, but conversation is a skill, not just knowledge. You don't learn swimming by reading a book, right? You learn by jumping into water. So from today, speak English every day, even if it is just 5 minutes. Talk to yourself. What am I doing? I am eating. I am going outside. This builds natural thinking in English. Don't try big, complex sentences. Start small. I like this. I don't understand. Can you repeat? Simple English equals confident English. Confidence is more important than vocabulary. Here is a powerful trick. Ask questions. Conversation is not about speaking long. It is about interaction. Use these. What do you think? Why? Can you explain? Now the other person talks and you feel relaxed. Listen and repeat. Watch short videos, copy the speaker, match their tone. Your brain learns faster when you imitate real speech. Remember, fluency is not magic. It is practice. Speak daily, think simple, don't fear mistakes, and slowly you will not just learn English, you will live in English. Now, tell me in the comments, what is your biggest problem in speaking English? Let's improve together.